Hey guys, Min here. So today I'm doing a quick review on this laptop monitor lamp. And this was sent to me by Quntis, and thank you very much. But all the reviews, comments are my own, and I will do a quick unboxing and let's get started. So, this is very well sealed. Let's see, how do I open this? Oops. Oh man, okay. I think I'm just ruining the box here. Okay. Very well sealed box. Oh, very nice. Oh, wow. Okay. This is, let's see what do we have here. Okay, stage 1, stage 2, so it's clipped. Okay. Dimmable and auto dimming switch, touch on, off. Okay, version 2. All right. So, this nice, very nice velvet cloth bag. I don't know why you would need one, but that's very nice. And it looks like a LED strip right in here. There's an LED strip and it has a diffuser, and it's a very simple lamp. It has a very easy clamp. And there is a USB or USB-C. Well, that's cool. Check that out. Okay, it's all attached here. And there is a manual in a plastic bag. Manual. Anti-glare, eye protection, no multi-shadow. Okay, 25,000 hours. That's pretty nice. How to light. Okay, so that's cool. And there is a hex wrench. I'm not sure what the hex wrench is for, but okay. All right, so I think the next thing is I need to put it on a computer and see what's going on. So let me grab my laptop.
Much later.
So I've been using this Quntis laptop lamp for a bit now, and I'll provide you with some usage feedback for this lamp. First, I do really like the ambiance this lamp creates, especially when you have surrounding mood lighting, like purple mood lighting around your office, and you create this warm temperature laptop lamp environment where it lets you focus on your laptop and focus on what you're working on. That is really, really cool. Now, the lamp itself, they've got some cool features. Like there's 4 temperature settings on the color temperatures, and also there's 4 brightness settings on the color brightness. And also there's the auto dimming function. And what I didn't notice before was the this thing I thought it was a logo was actually a sensor for the auto dimming. And the control itself is touch-based control, is very slick. And of course, another thing I like is the USB-C and USB-A combo adapter, where you can actually use this on your laptop. For me, it's a MacBook Pro. It's great. I can just take it and go anywhere with this. So let me tell you a little bit about what I don't like about this lamp. One thing about it is the mounting clip. The mounting clip may be the only way that it can mount to a laptop monitor, but for this particular one, there are a few annoyances. One is that because they tries to do 2 levels, which it also states in the documentation, 2 levels of width on the clip. So there's a notch here, but if you push it all the way down onto the monitor, it actually blocks the center webcam, at least for my MacBook Pro 13-inch. And if you use the top notch, which freezes up because there is a notch here to open it up for the laptop monitor, it freezes it up. But the problem is, unless you have the lamp pointed all the way up where it shines onto your face, it actually catches the view of the camera actually catches part of the lamp. That is a bit of annoyance. But fortunately, that's not too much of an issue because most of the time when I'm in that focus mode and creating this ambiance with the lamp, I am not using a webcam. So that's not a big deal. Also, for my M1 MacBook Pro 13-inch, I feel that this lamp is just slightly too bulky when it's mounted on it. So, I wish it's a little bit thinner and not as bulky, but that's the way it is. So, I also tried to mount this, because of the size of it, I tried to mount this on my desktop monitor. Unfortunately, I have one of the older desktop monitors, which are much thicker, and this clip just doesn't open wide enough. Now, they do have a desktop version which has a counterweight and will fit the much thicker laptop monitors and also have a longer light strip. So that may be something that I want to try in the future. Alright, so I hope my comments were helpful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up. If it's really helpful, please feel free to subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out some of these other videos that you might find helpful. Alright, thank you so much for your time, and I will see you next time. Bye!